bog stock standard tank 300 PHEV versus Oclock Hill. I'm a little bit nervous because this car is absolutely bog stock standard and it is brand new. But standard tyres, like I've got them aired down to 20 psi or thereabouts, because they're a highway tyre and they're susceptible to damage in the sidewall because they're not built for this, right? So this is a big ask for this car. Bog stock standard tank 300 PHEV versus Oclock Hill. And I've had strict instructions from GWM, don't hurt the car. So I'm like, oh man, I really don't want to damage this vehicle. I would love nothing more than to get this up there stock standard and be the first one ever to do so. I've got a feeling that I'm going to belly out up the top there and I won't get this car up there, but if I've got the clearance, I'll get it to the top of Oclock Hill. So, manual mode, first gear, front and rear lockers, low range, rock mode. This is 100% bog stock standard tank 300 PHEV, and this is an untouched Oclock Hill. This is its natural form. It hasn't been graded or any of that silly stuff that you reckon, or sticky material put on it, or nothing. Like, this is Oclock Hill. I won't let GWM or anyone else for that matter falsify and make me out to be a liar or cover things up or anything like that. This is fair income. This is a bog stock standard car. I'm just worried about the clearance. Other than that, I think this car will do it. Oh, it's got to go close. So first step, oh, it was nothing. It's lifting wheels. This is bog stock standard, so remember that. Oh, it's on its belly there. On its belly. Bog stock standard! Bog stock standard, holy smokes! This is fair income. This is a bog stock standard car. I'm just worried about the clearance. Other than that, I think this car will do it. Oh, it's got to go close. So first step, oh, it was nothing. It's lifting wheels. This is bog stock standard, so remember that. Oh, it's on its belly there. On its belly. Bog stock standard! Bog stock standard, holy smokes! That is insane. PHEV Tank 300, Lucas approved, Oclock Hill certified, and it is bog stock. There is nothing done to this car. It has like highway tyres on it. This is absolutely a credit to GWM. What an absolute wrecker of a car, man. Like, this thing is unreal. Like, good job, guys. I was stressing out. I wasn't going to do it, but it's just done it easy. GWM Tank 300 PHEV destroys Oclock Hill. The first run, no practices, no nothing. Man, I didn't have to punish the car. Like, that is unreal. Unreal. Effortless in stock standard trim. Mate, just incredible. Absolutely incredible. Well done, GWM.